Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today we discuss about trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If cos x by cos x minus 2y equal to lambda, then we have to find tan of x minus y into tan y. Okay, so write lambda by 1. So by using component dividend formula, So what is the formula? A by B is equal to C by D. Then A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. If A by B equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Okay, we should apply this formula. A by B is equal to C by D. A, this is B, C, D. By using CD formula, component dividend formula, it will going to be A plus B, cos x plus cos x minus 2y, A plus B by A minus B, cos x minus 2y equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus C plus D by C minus D. Okay, where CD value is lambda and 1. So C plus D by C minus D, lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. We have cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. In denominator cos C minus cos D, we have cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. It will going to be 2 cos this C D. So what is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 2 cos sum of angles by 2. X plus x minus 2y by 2. So 2x minus 2y by 2 cos C minus D by 2. The difference of angles by 2. X minus x minus of x minus 2y by 2. So one x get cancelled, minus into minus plus, this is 2y by 2. By C, we should apply cos C minus cos D formula, minus 2 sin sum of angles by 2, 2x minus 2y by 2, and the difference of angles by 2, it will be 2y by 2 equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. 1 2 get cancelled, so 2's get cancelled. Cos by sin, it will going to be cot x minus y. Cos by sin is cot y, cos y by sin y equal to lambda plus 1 by, in this one minus 1 take out common, 1 minus lambda, minus get cancelled. But our target is tan x minus y into tan y. Okay. Now, so taking reciprocal of cot x minus y, it will be tan x minus y into tan y equal to the reciprocal of this value 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. So this is answer. So what is the answer? Tan x minus y into tan y equal to 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Okay, let us go to the next problem. If xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1, then we have to find x by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus y square plus z by 1 plus z square. Okay. So let us take x is equal to tan A, y is equal to tan B, z is equal to tan C. Okay, it will going to be tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. If A plus B plus C equal to 90, so A plus B plus C equal to 90, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. Okay. So what is our target? X by 1 plus x square. So what is required? X by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus y square plus z by 1 plus z square is equal to, right, where expression we should write tan a by 1 plus tan square a, y, where y value tan b by 1 plus tan square b plus tan c by 1 plus tan square c. It will going to be tan a. Okay, divide multiplied by 2, 1 by 2 times of 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a plus 2 tan b by 1 plus tan square b plus 2 tan c by 1 plus tan square c. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. This is sin 2a. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus this is sin 2c formula. Okay. If a plus b plus c is equal to 90, if a plus b plus c is equal to 90, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 cos a cos b cos c. Okay, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 cos a cos b cos c. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of 4 cos a cos b cos c. 1 2 get cancelled. It will going to be 2 cos a cos b cos c. Okay, we have got 2 cos a cos b cos c. So this is nothing but 2 by secant a into secant b into secant c. Okay, so 2 by secant a formula. So root 1 plus tan square a into secant b. We have root 1 plus tan square b. Secant c, it will be root 1 plus tan square c. It will going to be 2 by root under 1 plus, where tan a value x square, tan b place and write y square, 1 plus y square, 1 plus z square. This is answer. Okay, now explain important formula. First one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees, then sigma tan a tan b is equal to 1 and sigma cot a is equal to phi cot a. In this phi product, sigma means sum of cotangents, cot a plus cot b plus cot c equal to cot a into cot b into cot c. Okay, next, second condition, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then sigma cot a cot b is equal to 1 and sigma tan a is equal to pi tan a. Okay, now explain this formula. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 90, then we have to find sigma tan a tan b. Okay, so a plus b plus c is equal to 90. That implies a plus b is equal to c, bring the right side, 90 degrees minus c. Now applying tangent on both sides, tan a plus b is equal to tan 90 minus c. It will going to be cot c. Cot c is nothing but 1 by tan c. We have tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. It will going to be 1 by tan c. Okay, let us do cross product. So by using cross product, it will going to be tan a into tan c plus tan b into tan c is equal to 1 into 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A into tan B. So negative value bring the left side. It will going to be tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. So what is the answer? Sigma tan A tan B equal to 1. Sigma tan A tan B means tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. Okay, now explain this formula. If A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, then we have to find sigma cot A equal to pi cot A. So sigma cot A means cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Pi cot A means cot A into cot B into cot C. Okay. A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, A plus B equal to plus C, bring the right side 90 degrees minus C. Okay, now applying cotangent on both sides. Cot A plus B is equal to cot 90 minus C. It will going to be cot A plus B formula is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A is equal to cot 90 minus C. It will going to be tan C. So tan C formula write 1 by cot C. Okay. So let us do cross product by cross product. It will going to be cot C into this value. Cot A cot B minus 1 into cot C is equal to 1 into this value. 1 into cot B plus cot A. So cot C multiply to all. Cot C into cot A cot B cot C. Cot A cot B cot C minus 1 into cot C minus cot C equal to cot B plus cot A. Cot B plus cot A. Therefore cot A into cot B into cot C. This minus cot C bring the right side. It will be cot A plus cot B plus cot C. So cot A into cot B into cot C is denoted by pi into cot A is equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C means sigma cot A. Here pi indicate product, sigma indicate summation. Okay, now explain. If A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then we have to find sigma cot A cot B equal to 1. Okay. So therefore A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Now we should applying cotangent on both sides. Cot A plus B is equal to cot 180 minus C. So cot 180 minus C is nothing but minus cot C. We have cot A plus B formula, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A equal to minus cot C. Okay, by cross product. It will going to be 1 into cot A cot B minus 1, cot A cot B minus 1 equal to minus cot C multiply with cot B plus cot A. Minus cot C into cot B minus cot B cot C minus cot C into cot A minus cot A into cot C. Okay. So minus these two minus cot B cot C minus cot A cot C bring the left side. So minus 1 bring the right side. It will going to be cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1. So this is nothing but sigma cot A cot B is equal to 1. Sigma cot A cot B means cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A equal to 1. Okay, look at the next formula. If A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees, then sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. Okay. A plus B is equal to C, bring the right side 180 degrees minus C. So now applying tangent on both sides. So tan A plus B is equal to tan 180 minus C. it will going to be minus tan c. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan 180 minus c. So 180 minus c. 180 minus c second quadrant, tan is negative, so minus tan c. We have tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to minus tan c. Okay, let us do cross product. So 1 into tan a plus tan b. So tan a plus tan b equal to minus tan c into 1 minus tan a tan b. Minus tan c into 1 minus tan a tan b. It will going to be tan a plus tan b. Okay. So minus tan c into 1 minus tan c. So minus into minus plus, so tan c, tan a, tan b. So tan a into tan b into tan c. So this minus tan c bring left side, it will going to be tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c is nothing but is denoted by sigma tan a. Tan a into tan b into tan c, it is denoted by pi tan a. Hence proved. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of tan 35 degrees into tan 15 degrees plus tan 15 into tan 40 degrees plus tan 40 degrees into tan 35 degrees. Okay, so let us take A 35, B 15. So B 15, let us take C 40 degrees. This is C 40 degrees, A 35 degrees. Okay, we have tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A, tan C tan A equal to 1 if A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so where A value, A is equal 35 degrees, B is equal 15 degrees, C is equal 40 degrees. So let us take A, B, C values. So let us do adding. A plus B plus C is equal to 35 plus 15, 50 plus 45, 40, 90 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. This condition satisfied. If A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. So it will be, statement will be 1. So what is the answer? 1. Okay, moving to next question. If x by y value given cos A by cos B, then we have to find x tan A plus y tan B by x plus y. Okay, so x by y value given. First divide y on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, it will going to be x by y tan A plus y by y tan B by, in denominator write x by y plus y by y. So y by y get cancelled. So x by y value given from statement. What is given? Cos A by cos B into tan A. We have tan A formula sin A by cos A plus tan B formula, right, sin B by cos B. This whole divided by x by y value given from statement cos A by cos B plus 1. Okay, so one cos A get cancelled. So let us do LCM. Cos B is LCM. Sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B by cos B by. So let us do LCM in denominator. Cos B LCM. Cos A plus cos B by cos B. One cos B get cancelled. We have sin C plus sin D. Sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2. Cos A minus B by 2. In denominator cos C plus cos D. We have cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. So cos a plus cos b, it will be 2 cos a plus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2. In this cos a minus b by 2 as well as 2 get cancelled. Sin a plus b by 2 by cos a plus b by 2 is nothing but tan a plus b by 2. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.